Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Cars and Garage, and welcome back to another video. So here we are at the garage, and as you see, I've uncovered the hardtop. These don't look the same. So folks, focus, what I want to focus on at some point, hopefully today, maybe I can get a little work done and start stripping or sanding down the paint off of this so that I can paint it to match this. Still have work to do on the SL. I've got the vinyl fabric that I was going to put on right here. It's as close as I can get to color of the interior as I possibly can. Then I still haven't done any, wet sanding and buffing on the car. Now I'm going to have to actually spray some water on it, but still got a lot of work to do on that car, and I really want to get it. There's just so many things. Now that it's springtime, I mentioned in another one of my videos, I've planted a garden. Well, pretty soon the garden is going to take a little time because I'm going to have to go out and weed it now. And now I'm mowing the yard and trim. I got to trim shrubs. All those things that I've got to do are taking away from my weekends that I work on this. Now, could I come out here in the evenings and work on these? Yes. And I might be able to do that a little bit. But there's just so many things to do that I need to do, that I want to do, that, where do I start and where do I stop? I mean, I want to work on the 280 SEL 4.5. I want to work on this. I want to, I need to get this sanded and painted, which that I'm going to do that because over the next 10 days or so, the temperature is going to be just about perfect to do that. But one of the things I've got to do, and I've already ordered it, I'm going to replace this rubber. This trim here, because this is such a tight spot, I'm going to be able to take this trim off, but I'm going to need someone's help so we can flip the hardtop temporarily while I take that trim off, and then we'll put it back down. This is the level. This is a position that I want to paint on this because I can reach, I can get, the flow good, and then I can get down through here. I'll tape off the windows. I'm not gonna, this molding here will come off, and I've ordered like I said, I've ordered the new molding for this. I have the molding for this. This will peel away, but then I don't want to get into the this area here, so I don't know if I'm going to completely take that off or just tape it off. We'll see how it goes when I get to it, but I need to make that match that. And this took a long time. This won't take so much time, and so it'll be nice to have that top, and that way I can set that top on the car, and then I'll take some good pictures of it and do a video of pretty much the completed project. But folks, there you have it. Kind of a short video for right now. Yeah, got to make that match that. More to come. Continue to follow the progress on the 350 SL. I have the, I have just a dedicated video series for just this car, and so hopefully in the next month this car will be complete. The plan is to get the bushings you know, the upper control arm bushings, the lower control arm bushing, and some of the bushings I have several of them. In fact, I brought them out here. Yeah, here they are. So I've got a package here, subframe bushing kit, and somewhere in here, maybe it's in a box someplace. I've got the upper control arm bushings, and then here's the lower control arm bushings with the bolts. From Euro Parts, yeah, this one says control arm bushing kit. So Jose will be doing that, and then, you know, I still need to do some cleaning, and I'm gonna have to find some vinyl paint for the center stack. Try to find my other box of bushings. Excuse me. Let me see if I put. Nope, not in there. I need to vacuum that out. Oh goodness! Now where did I put them? Oh my. Oh, there's a vacuum purge deal. We need to put that on. Oh yeah, here we go. Here's some boxes of parts. Yep, here we go. Yep, here's the upper control arm bushings. Yeah, it says Volvo on the package, but it's all. Oh, there's a sway bar link. So yeah, we got some parts here. So that'll make this car safe to drive. So there you go, folks. Lots of work. That's more of a Jose kind of thing. Because I don't know if I could sit that long. I wish I had a lift that I could lift it, lift it up and be able to work up in this area. But you know, those things cost money. I'm just a working man. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep following the series. If you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe. Follow the series on the 350 SL project. More to come as it continues to get completed. Have a great day.